Sceye HAPS High-Altitude Platform Station is a high-altitude platform designed to provide telecommunications and Earth observation services from the stratosphere. 1. Design and construction. Dimensions. Sceye HAPS is a 65-meter to 113-foot long, helium-filled drone. Materials. The Sceye HAPS's shell is made from advanced materials that are resistant to UV and ozone and have high strength-to-weight ratio. Power. Sceye HAPS's power system includes flexible and robust solar panels, along with high-energy density lithium-sulfur batteries, allowing it to operate day and night. To have flight capability. Altitude. Sceye HAPS can fly at altitudes of 60,000 to 65,000 feet, 18,288 to 19,812 meters, where it can maintain position for extended periods of time, from several months to a year. Sustainability. The platform can maintain position even in high winds, which is important for providing telecommunications services and Earth observation. 3. Functions. Telecommunications. Sceye HAPS is capable of providing telecommunications services directly to mobile phones at broadband speeds, replacing ground infrastructure at a lower cost. Earth observation. The platform can carry a variety of sensors to observe and collect data on critical Earth systems, such as ground elevation, plant health, soil composition, and minerals. Advantages. Long-term persistence. The ability to maintain position for a long time helps Sceye HAPS provide continuous and stable service. Multifunctionality. The ability to carry a variety of sensors helps it collect rich and diverse data. Low cost. Compared to satellites and ground infrastructure, Sceye HAPS has a lower operating cost. Disadvantages. Weather dependent. Although it is capable of maintaining position in strong winds, severe weather conditions can affect its performance. Space limitations. Although it can carry many sensors, space and weight are still a limitation to consider. Sceye HAPS is an advanced technology platform with many potential applications in telecommunications and Earth observation. With its long-term persistence and low operating cost, it promises to bring many benefits to hard-to-reach areas and other important applications. SolarXOne is a solar-powered autonomous drone developed by SolarXOne. Design and structure, dimensions, and weight. Weight. SolarXOne weighs 25 kilograms. Wingspan. This drone has a wingspan of 4.5 meters. Structure. Double wing design. The unique double wing design enhances the lift and the number of solar panels. This gives SolarXOne stable and safe flight. Materials. The solar panels are made of high-efficiency custom silicon cells and 3 to 5 GaAs thin-film cells, ensuring long life and high efficiency. Energy system. Solar power. SolarXOne uses solar panels to collect and store solar energy, allowing it to operate day and night. 1. Battery. This drone is equipped with an intelligent battery management system (BMS) with 2 power sources, battery and for solar panels, ensuring high safety and reliability. Flight capability. Autonomous. SolarXOne is fully autonomous in all flight phases, from takeoff to landing. Flight range. This drone can fly continuously for 12 hours, with a daily flight range of up to 600 kilometers. Flight speed. The default cruising speed is 50 kilometers per hour, ideal for mapping missions. Functions. Observation and mapping. SolarXOne can carry equipment such as thermal cameras, LiDAR, and advanced communication technologies to perform detailed observation and mapping missions. Applications. This drone is suitable for surveying large infrastructure, such as pipelines, power grids, roads, and rivers, as well as precision agriculture and forest protection. Pros. Sustainable energy. Using solar energy helps SolarXOne operate sustainably and minimize environmental impact. Fully autonomous. Autonomous capabilities minimize human intervention and increase operational efficiency. Multifunctional. Can perform a variety of tasks from mapping to environmental monitoring. Cons. Limited payload. Although it can carry multiple devices, the maximum payload is only 5 kilograms. Weather dependent. The performance of SolarXOne can be affected by severe weather conditions. 1. Conclusion. SolarXOne is an advanced drone with many potential applications in different fields. With its full autonomy and solar power, it promises to bring many benefits to observation and mapping missions. VAYU is an advanced autonomous delivery robot developed by VAYU Robotics. It is designed to revolutionize the delivery industry with its outstanding features and cutting-edge technology, design, and technology. Advanced AI. VAYU uses transformer-based AI models, which enables it to navigate autonomously without the need for a predefined map. Passive sensors. Instead of using expensive LiDAR technology, VAYU is equipped with low-cost passive sensors, which increase efficiency and flexibility in operation. Payload capacity. This robot can transport loads up to 100 pounds, about 45 kilograms, at speeds below 20 miles per hour, about 32 kilometers per hour. Key features: autonomous delivery. VAYU is capable of automatically unloading goods directly into the porch or driveway, optimizing the delivery process. Expanded applications. This product is not limited to wheeled platforms, but can also be extended to quadruped or bipedal robots, opening up many applications in different industries. Price and accessibility. Price: VAYU sells for around $424 on Amazon, which is quite reasonable compared to similar technologies using LiDAR. Overall review: VAYU is a big step forward in autonomous delivery technology. With the combination of advanced AI and passive sensors, this product is not only highly efficient, but also has the potential to expand its applications in the future. This is a worthy option for businesses looking to optimize their delivery processes and reduce costs. Worthington Waterway barriers are an innovative and effective solution for controlling floating debris and ensuring public safety around dams, functions, and applications. Floating debris control. Worthington Waterway barriers help prevent trash, trees, and other debris from drifting into critical areas such as hydroelectric power plant intakes, ensuring continuous and efficient operations. Public safety. These barriers are used to protect the public from hazards around dams and areas with strong currents. Fish guidance. Fish guidance systems help protect migratory fish from being swept into turbines, contributing to the protection of the ecological environment. Design and durability. Advanced technology. Worthington uses patented technologies to create barriers that are highly durable and highly effective. Withstand harsh conditions. The product is designed to perform well in harsh environmental conditions, from tropical regions to areas with strong currents. Efficiency and benefits. Improves hydropower plant performance by preventing debris. These barriers help maintain optimal performance for hydropower plants. Protects dams during heavy rain. Barriers help protect dams from the risk of overflow during heavy rain events, ensuring safety and efficiency. Over 25 years of experience. Worthington has over 25 years of experience, and their products have been installed in 65 countries, affirming their leading position in the industry. Comprehensive solutions. Worthington provides solutions from design, construction to installation, ensuring maximum customer satisfaction and efficiency. Conclusion: Worthington Waterway barriers are an excellent choice for projects that require floating debris control and public safety around dams. With advanced technology, durable design, and extensive experience, Worthington provides an effective and reliable solution for hydropower and water management systems. Wavepiston is an innovative wave energy system designed to convert the energy from ocean waves into electricity and clean water. Wavepiston is a modular system, allowing for easy expansion, and is completely mechanical with no active controls in the water, reducing maintenance costs. The system uses a proprietary force cancellation concept, which significantly reduces anchor loads, ensuring a lightweight and low-cost system. Design and technology. How it works: Wavepiston exploits the lateral component of wave motion at a series of points along the fixed floating structure too. This enables the system to efficiently harvest energy from ocean waves. Modular design. The system is designed to be modular, simple, and easy to install. There are no active controls or electronics in the water, minimizing the risk of failure and maintenance costs. Materials and resources. Uses common materials and does not require scarce resources. The system is completely submerged, minimizing visual impact. Performance and applications. Performance. Wavepiston has been tested at a 1:1 scale in Gran Canaria and has demonstrated high efficiency in converting wave energy into electricity. The system is also capable of producing clean water through reverse osmosis. Applications. In addition to generating electricity, Wavepiston can also be used to desalinate seawater, providing clean water to areas with water shortages. Benefits and potential. Cost effectiveness. Wavepiston's target cost of electricity is €39 per MWh at utility scale under optimal wave conditions too. The cost of desalinating seawater is estimated at 25 cents per M in 2035. Growth potential. Wavepiston is expanding and has projects underway, aiming to achieve a turnover of €1 to €2 billion and a sales capacity of 3.5 to 5.4 gigawatts by 2035. Conclusion. Wavepiston is an innovative and efficient wave energy solution with a modular design, low cost, and wide applicability. The system not only produces clean electricity, but also provides clean water, contributing to the global green energy transition. MOVGO, short for Mountain Goat, is an electronic hiking pant that combines exoskeleton technology with technical pant design. It is designed to help users move more easily over difficult terrain, especially those with mobility issues due to age, fatigue, or injury. How it works. MOVGO uses an exoskeleton system that attaches to the user's legs via a special pair of Arc'teryx Gamma pants. As the user moves, the system provides electronic assistance, reducing the effort required to move. Motor and battery. VAYU's electronic motor system is designed to be lightweight and efficient, weighing less than 2 pounds per leg. The motor provides 40% more power when climbing and gentle knee support when descending, helping users feel about 30 pounds lighter when moving. Modular design. The motors are easily removable, allowing the user to use the pants alone when no exoskeleton support is needed. The adjustable carbon fiber straps hug the user's legs, transferring power from the motors to the legs. Performance. MOVGO has been tested and proven to be effective in assisting users to move on difficult terrain. It helps users to climb uphill easier and reduces pressure on joints when going downhill. Applications. MOVGO is especially useful for those who love hiking but have difficulty moving due to age, fatigue, or injury. It can also be used in other outdoor activities such as climbing and hiking. Benefits and potential. Mobility assistance. VAYU helps users to move more easily, reducing the effort required and enhancing mobility on difficult terrain. User-friendly design. The product is designed for ease of use and comfort, with adjustable features to fit a variety of body sizes and shapes. Potential for development. With the combination of advanced technology and user-friendly design, MOVGO has great potential to change the way we move and participate in outdoor activities. MOVGO is a breakthrough product in the field of mobility aids, bringing many benefits to users, especially those with mobility difficulties. With its modular design, high performance, and wide applicability, MOVGO promises to become a useful tool for outdoor enthusiasts.